some fabric, some elastic band, and in 4 seams we're going to have the cutest shorts to be at home. So let's go straight ahead, because this is quite easy. Why? Because these little pair of shorts are sewn in half an hour or a little bit more, but they're really easy. You only have to take a few measurements and they are comfy enough to be traced just, I mean, not eyeballing because you're going to measure yourself, but they are loose, so you don't have to be thinking about how it fits, if it's wrinkling here, if it needs more adjusting. It's just like it is, and it's traced in a whole leg. So if you like this kind of sewing or upcycling or accessories or decorating, consider subscribing. My name's Irene if you're new around here, and that way you don't miss anything, because I upload twice a week, or at least I try, because this summer is being a bit crazy. But and you can also follow me on Instagram. We can even talk about that. And measurements to take, this is really important. You can trace it on paper, I'm going to do it that way, or you can trace it straight on your fabric, which I always do as well, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to measure our hip contour and add 10 centimeters. Why? Because this is an elasticated pair of shorts, so they need to be easy to pull up. So that's that. And then you need the thigh contour, so you can place it, and I'm going to add 15 centimeters. You can add 10 or 15 centimeters depending on how loose you want your pair of shorts. And this is important because this difference of measurement is going to give you the crotch line. This is my pattern. It took me longer to trace it than to explain it. I mean, of course it took me longer, but I mean, I understand it better now that I've explained it aloud. It's fun, isn't it? And of this, I'm going to cut 2. And all of this we're going to keep. What for? We don't know. Will it be useful? Probably. So let's keep it. First seam, I'm going to place them right sides together, and I'm going to sew the 2 crotch lines. And for every inner seam, I'm going to zigzag stitch as well. And now I'm going to open it like this and sew the inner seam between the legs. And I always say to sew from the crotch line to one leg or one ankle if it's a long pair of trousers, and from the crotch line again to the other. But because it's only a tiny seam, you can put some pins and sew it from one end to the other straight away. And now this is like the basic trousers. Now we need hemming. We're going to hem the bottom with a double hem, folding twice, and I always pin the two extremes and then stretch, and when you stretch, everything falls in. Oh, excuse me. Everything falls in, and you can pin again, and you can even press it if you want, if you feel more sure. And then you're going to do the same with the top to case the elastic band. I'm going to take into account the width of the elastic band and then leave a bit open so I can insert it. And now it's a moment to cut the elastic band. I'm going to measure myself. I always say it, don't just measure the elastic band. My measurement is 70 centimeters, so I'm going to cut that. No, because they have different tensions and you might want it looser or tighter, so measure it on yourself, forgetting about a number, a measurement, and leave 3 fingers, 3 centimeters, so you can sew it together with a zigzag. And to insert the elastic band, I'm going to use a safety pin. Fun fact, in Spanish it's called unloosable. So I'm going to just insert it and pin the other extreme with and pin it with a pin, obviously, so it doesn't run in once I start pulling. Why am I doing it like this and not sewing it straight away on the fabric like I've done lately in other projects? Because I think it's more comfortable when you sew the elastic band. It seems to me like it loses a bit of stretchiness and it becomes harder, like too many seams. So I think this, for a comfy pair of shorts to be at home, is much more logical. Well, it looks lovely, and what I have to do now is to close the last bit of seam, which I ran out of thread on the bobbin, so it's a bit longer than I wanted it to be, but just because of that. So well, anyways, let's do that. And as easy as this, it's done. It's a really easy project. It's very satisfying, and I think if you do it in a different kind of fabric, in a more outwear fabric, it can look amazing. This looks like a pair of pajamas because the fabric is like that. It's white and it has a vibrant color. So, but if you used a seersucker or a flowery material, it could look really nice to go out, to go to the beach, even in a set. It will look amazing. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, and let me know as well which kind of way of applying your elastic band you prefer, if you like inserting it or if you prefer sewing it right on the fabric. I don't know, it depends. To me, it depends on the project and what I'm going to do. Sometimes I prefer sewing it, sometimes inserting it. So let me know and I'll see you around. Bye. ¿Por qué? Porque sí, ¿no? Claro.